Tuesday, April 28th, and looks like they're doing a little welding here under the back rear wells. Probably have to do some repairs back there before we can do too much. Yesterday we got the front all installed, and it looks like the back panel is coming in, so that might be what they're welding in, is the back part. So moving along pretty quick. Customer doesn't want checkerboard plates, so we're gonna have to worry on that one right now. And so all the way from the front damn near way to the back is done already, and Dad's down there welding. And then their final thing that they have to do is put in that final piece right down here. So I think Aidan's already got that one cut, and they're going to bend it and put it into place. Aidan, what's the status for today? Is this what you guys been working on? Is the center plate, or?
We just started this.
Oh, you just started?
15 minutes ago.
Oh, okay.
We're just going to tack that up, and then after we'll switch to the MIG welder.
Oh, okay. So it's just getting tacked in right now.
Yeah.
Okay. So, well, what were you doing earlier then?
We changed how we were going to do the front bumper. Like you see, we have that long plate on here. But
Oh, yeah, right.
Forgot there needs to be drain holes.
Right.
So snow doesn't pile up on here.
Okay.
Cut these plates. That'll get bolted on.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't want it all welded on either. He wants to be able to take the bumper off if he
Yeah.
has to. And then I welded this today.
Oh, you did?
This is our bumper.
Look at that. Heavy duty.
Yeah. So it'll get welded to those plates.
Okay.
And the plates will be bolted on.
Okay.
And then they'll be able to hit wherever the fuck they want.
There you go. Now, Dad likes putting in these heavy industrial bumpers in, simply because of the fact that in case you have to move anything, or you have to install a plower, or do some towing.
Both welding today.
Yeah.
He's finishing the end of the bumper,
Yeah.
and I'm putting this shit on and welding the pan.
Okay.
And he said I was fuzzy. I said, what the hell do you mean I was fuzzy? He said, no, fussy.
Oh, fussy. Okay, yeah. Dad went home last night, and I think he slept 12 hours. He was so tired. The night before last, he was up 5 times thinking about this whole job, and I told him stop worrying, and came home last night, ate supper, and went straight to bed. So what do you think of the welding job? You good? There you go. Thumbs up, buddy. Hey. Okay, so yeah, they're going to finish off with the Lincoln welder.
These guys had cut this, but not all the way through.
Okay.
So I cut it square,
Yeah.
and then I got a solid shaft. It's about this long.
Yeah.
Drove it in, got it back here into place, welded it. Now they can do whatever they want.
Okay. Again, guys, you don't see this until you take it right down to the bare minimum. Probably would have missed that otherwise, right?
The least these guys, these novice repair guys do, the better off we are.
Yeah. Okay. So that's their update here today, guys. I'm going to take some photos. These guys might call it quits early today. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, you're done. Okay, that's good, because we got supper here tonight. And, hey? Okay. Miller time. Okay, so that's what these guys are up here to today, guys. I'm going to take some photos for the customer, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh, I got a shout out here to not just Clarence Olson, Mrs. Clarence Olson. She's watching. So she thinks that Clarence is a bit of a celebrity by being mentioned. So Steve McCoy, your missus, is competing for shout outs here. So Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy, and Mr. and Mrs. Clarence Olson, and Mr. and Mrs. Atchison like seeing husband and wife comment.
And the boys from the Arctic phone today.
Oh, they did.
They need a transmission.
They did, yes. They messaged me. I don't know if we got a spare one around here or not.
It's ordered to be here in a week.
Oh, okay. Are they going to pick it up here, or you can pick it up in Winnipeg?
I don't know.
Best to be shipped in Winnipeg because that's where it's got to go. Anyways, they, yeah, we like seeing husband and wives. Mrs. Atchison, Celeste told me this morning, she's all excited about her husband's Bombardier out in the front yard. Thought it was a great idea just seeing that when she's driving up. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next video.